In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your expenses with ease in Zoho Books using Chrome. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can effortlessly log and categorize your expenses, making your financial management smoother and more organized. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, we need to log into our Zoho Books account. You'll want to open your Chrome browser and head straight to the Zoho Books sign-in page. Enter your credentials carefully, and if you've enabled two-factor authentication, make sure to have your device handy to complete the login process. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. If you're new here, it's always good to know where everything is before diving deep into specific tasks. Now that we're all set up, let's go over to the expenses section. You'll find this by looking at the menu bar, typically located on the left side of your screen. Spot the expenses option and click on it. A new page will open, showcasing all your past expenses and a myriad of options to help you manage your financial tasks effectively. But today, we're focusing on adding a new expense, so let's move forward with that. Click on the New Expense button. This is usually prominently displayed and easy to locate. Clicking it will open up a form where you'll need to enter the details of your expense. Let's take our time here to ensure everything is input correctly. You'll start with the vendor name. If you've worked with this vendor in the past, their details might autofill, which is quite handy. Then move on to the date of the expense. It's crucial to get this right for accurate tracking. Next, type in the amount. Be sure to double check this figure, as mistakes here can lead to discrepancies in your accounts later on. After that, select the appropriate expense category from the drop-down list provided. This helps in keeping your records organized and in simplifying report generation later. Accuracy is key here, so if you're unsure about a category, take a moment to consult your previous records or company guidelines. If you have a receipt or bill associated with this expense, now is the perfect time to attach it. Zoho Books makes it straightforward to upload these documents directly from your device, which can be a lifesaver during audits or when you need to reference back at a later time. Attach your files by clicking on the designated area and selecting the necessary documents from your files. Finally, it's time to save your input. You've done all the hard work of collating and entering the data accurately, so make sure to hit the Save button. This will also help in categorizing the expense for both tracking and reporting, keeping everything neat and tidy for your next financial review or analysis. Zoho Books is designed to help streamline and ease the burden of managing expenses, so be sure to take advantage of these powerful features as you go about your accounting tasks. And that's it. A straightforward yet comprehensive process to log your expenses in Zoho Books. Armed with this step-by-step guidance, managing your finances will be a breeze. Thank you for watching and happy bookkeeping.